I'm also being joined at this point by Vedam Jaishankar, who's a sports journalist, as well as Mr. Mukul, who's a former international wrestler and coach. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us. To you, Vedam Jaishankar, first, good evening again. My first question, how do you look at the statement of what PT Usha has said? She is the president of one of the topmost body of sports in India when it comes to the Olympics. And then you have her say something like this a day before the court of arbitration. Is it concerning? Do you see it as that?
Look, when an athlete goes to the Olympic Games, a lot of it is teamwork. When I say teamwork, it's total. Whether it's a coach or the dietitian or the doctors or the trainer, everybody is on board, And it's a complete team which goes there. It's not just the athlete alone. So when you look at a wrestler, the wrestler also has a full team going with her. So you can't say that it is not because of her or it's because of her. It's a whole team. Everybody knew the game. When she accepted that she will come below 50 kgs, she was above 50 kgs even much earlier, but she decided that she'll fight that 50 kg clause.
That's true.
It's not, she didn't know about it. She knew that it is an uphill task. She has to be on the ball every single day, at least on the days of the bout. She had to be there and she worked for it. You can't say that she didn't work for it. She worked very hard for it. She won her bouts and those 100 grams, finally that gave way. But she knew the game. And PT Usha is not the first person talking about it this way. Even Saina Nehwal said it. So everybody knows the game. It's just that PT Usha was doing a lot of blunt speaking. You can't say that she threw her under the bus. Every sportsman knows the rules. Every sportsman knows when they have transgressed and when it has not happened. I'm not saying it happened because of her. Maybe it happened because she could not control herself or the entire team could not help her in that particular moment. But to tell that, somebody else is to blame, I think is completely unfair. Saying that she has been thrown under the bus is also completely unfair. Somebody has to do some plain talking. And let's get this right. It's not just her. We are looking at the future of Indian sports, which means every single level, whether it's age or weight or whatever, you have to look after it. And there's no getting over it. My sympathies are with her because she came so near and yet so far. But at the same time, I would not say that PT Usha threw her under the bus. That's very unfair on Usha.
All right. Okay. So Mr. Mukul also joins us. Mr. Mukul, how do you respond to what PT Usha is saying? Vedam has just said that, dekhiye, this is just PT Usha plain talking. This is her blunt talking. जो बोला है वो bluntly बोला है लेकिन गलत नहीं बोला है.
देखो स्नेहा जी, ये हमारा मतलब IOA का और हमारा सभी का ये फर्ज बनता था, क्योंकि इंडिया में अभी 6 मेडल आए हैं और ये मात्र एक गोल्ड मेडल आने वाला था जो फाइनल में जो विनेश फोगाट जी के नाम चले गए थे. तो हमारा पूरा भारत का ही फर्ज बनता था कि इनका पूरा ख्याल रखना, डॉक्टर से, न्यूट्रिशन से, कोचेस से, अधिकारी से, सभी का इसी के ऊपर अगर फोकस होता. आज अपने फर्ज से अपना हाथ खींच लेना. एक बात बताओ, प्लेयर कहाँ तक लड़ेगा? जो प्लेयर तो अपने ही के नाम है, जो गेम दिखा सकता है, अपनी कुश्ती दिखा सकता है, प्लेयर तो इतना कर सकता है. लेकिन एक रात हमें मिली थी, एक रात में इंडिया का हमारा एकमात्र गोल्ड मेडल आना था, वो भी हमारे हाथ से खो गया है. सिर्फ इन अधिकारियों की और रहा खया भाई थोड़ा बहुत वहां से भी उन्हें कितना
मुकुल जी, आप एक बात बताइए, आप रेसलर रह चुके हैं, आप कोच भी रह चुके हैं. आप एक बात बताइए, ओलंपिक्स लेवल पे PT उषा जो बोल रही है फैक्चुअली वो सही टाइमिंग है कि नहीं है, सही बोल रही है कि नहीं है? आप ये बताइए फैक्चुअली वो करेक्ट बोल रही है कि नहीं, कि ओलंपिक्स में वेट मैनेजमेंट का जो दायित्व है वो उन एथलीट का है और उनके कोच का है, या जो इमीडिएट टीम है IOA और उनकी मेडिकल टीम का इसमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है? ये करेक्ट है कि गलत है, ये बताइए.
ये गलत है मैम, इसमें कोचिज का अधिकारी सभी का फर्ज बनता था। इसमें प्लेयर ने तो अपनी पूरी कोशिश की है, विनेश ने तो अपनी कोशिश में बताओ पूरी रात जब एक्सरसाइज पर लगे रहे, जब उनको पसीना ही आना बंद हो गया, जब डॉक्टर ने ही जवाब दे दिया उनको कि इससे ज्यादा वेट नहीं घटेगा, तो फर्ज तो हमारा सभी का बनता है। और खुद पीटी उषा भी प्लेयर रही है, उन्होंने भी पता है इस चीज का कि हमारा सबका फर्ज बनता था ये देखने के लिए 2 घंटे पहले ही कि ना उनका वेट चेक करते करेक्ट है कि नहीं है। हमारा फर्ज बनता था सबका, लेकिन वो नहीं हो पाया। तो ये एक दूसरे को ब्लेम लगाने वाली ये बातें हैं। बाकी तो और हमारा जो भारतीय ओलंपिक संघ है
Okay.
उनके कहीं ना
Okay.
कहीं तो क्या नाम है
Okay.
जो सिस्टम में कमी रही है।